The 2026 Toyota Tundra 6x6 Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle, it's a moving fortress of luxury, power, and futuristic engineering. Imagine taking the rugged heart of Toyota's legendary Tundra pickup, amplifying it with 6 unstoppable wheels, and then transforming it into a motorhome that feels more like a high-tech penthouse on wheels. That's exactly what Toyota has delivered, and it's a machine built for those who don't just travel the world, they dominate it. From the outside, this colossal camper looks like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. The aggressive 6-wheel stance, massive reinforced arches, adaptive LED laser headlights, and sculpted aerodynamic lines make it look less like a camper and more like a military-grade luxury cruiser. The 6x6 drivetrain isn't just for show, it's powered by a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8, paired with electric torque motors that can conquer deserts, mountains, ice, and mud with ease. With adjustable off-road suspension, self-leveling hydraulics, and run-flat tires, this beast doesn't just handle terrain, it owns it. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Opening the motorized gull-wing-style entry doors reveals a living space that feels like a private retreat designed by luxury architects. The lounge area is fitted with plush recliners, ambient LED lighting, panoramic smart glass windows that tint with a touch, and a holographic entertainment system that projects a 4K display anywhere you want it. It's a space where adventure meets indulgence, perfect for long journeys or evenings spent under the stars. The kitchen is a full-scale gourmet setup. A smart induction cooktop, a hidden convection oven, a voice-activated refrigerator, and an automatic coffee bar turn cooking on the road into a luxury experience. The counters are crafted from carbon fiber composite with embedded lighting, while storage units slide silently open with touch sensors. Even the water system is state-of-the-art, featuring a purification module that makes stream or rainwater drinkable, ideal for explorers who venture far off the grid. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a king-sized memory foam bed with temperature control, positioned beneath a skylight roof that can turn transparent or opaque instantly. The walls are lined with acoustic panels for complete silence at night, while integrated climate systems adjust the air automatically to keep it perfectly comfortable. The sense of calm in this space rivals luxury hotels, but it's all inside a vehicle capable of climbing cliffs. And then there's the bathroom, one of the most impressive in any motorhome to date. It features a rainfall shower with adjustable water pressure, smart glass walls for privacy, a Japanese-inspired bidet system, and even heated marble flooring. The entire water system is sustainable, powered by solar panels and advanced recycling technology, meaning you can live off-grid for weeks without compromise. Technology runs through every vein of this motorhome. The cockpit is equipped with Toyota's latest AI-assisted driving system, capable of autonomous navigation across highways or trails. Multiple 360-degree cameras, drone connectivity, and augmented reality HUD displays make driving a thrilling yet effortless experience. And with satellite communication built into the roof, you're always connected, whether you're deep in the desert or parked at a mountaintop. What makes the 2026 Toyota Tundra 6x6 Motorhome Camper so special is that it balances raw power with refined luxury. On one hand, it's a 6-wheeled juggernaut that can haul across landscapes where regular campers would fail. On the other, it's a self-contained luxury suite designed for comfort, elegance, and futuristic living. It's for adventurers, explorers, and dreamers who want to go anywhere, without ever leaving behind the luxuries of home. The Toyota Tundra 6x6 Motorhome Camper isn't just a camper. It's a bold statement of freedom, luxury, and ultimate adventure. A vehicle that redefines what it means to travel, and one that proves the future of exploration has already arrived. Would you take this 6-wheeled masterpiece across the world, or park it in the perfect spot and make it your permanent home?